these nuts.
Right, morning guys. We're going on an adventure. We're gonna find some fucking aliens, mate. Well, I don't know if you guys know about the whole Let's storm Area 51, which isn't gonna happen. But obviously it's kicked up a nice fun subject to natter about. Unfortunately for you guys and your lack of entertainment and my skill set being your entertainment, I live in a lovely area of Suffolk. Well, I live in a shithole near the lovely areas of Suffolk. I live near a place called Bentwaters Air Base, which is now out of use, but they actually use it for Hollywood. They've actually filmed part of one of the Fast and Furious films here. But in the 80s, oh yes, in the 80s we had a little UFO incident, which over the course of 3 nights a UFO touched base in the forest by the airbase, of which my dad actually worked at the time. Right, I think there's a... Right, I'm going in there. Don't give a fuck. Let's go exploring. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see there through that fence, but there's a base over there where they film a lot of Hollywood stuff, but I'm here for the aliens. That bit isn't open to the public, but I'm going in. Storming Area 51 of Suffolk. They film a lot of stuff in those hangars. Yeah, obviously there's been a big kind of cover-up. And there's people everywhere. So in I think bang on 1980, there was a UFO that touched down around this area. Over the course of 3 days it touched down 2 times, and there's audio recordings that have now come to light of the army itself. I'm not going to be able to see fuck all over here, am I? Yeah, I'm going to try and find some more spots to show you guys. Obviously the site's being used for something else. But yeah, I'd like to, well, not that I can actually show you much of this disused airbase. However, I would like to give you my gist on what could be inside Area 51 should people actually get inside. Obviously there's a lot of keyboard warriors that have all signed up to this, and celebrities who obviously won't go to Storm Area 51. What do I think is inside Area 51? Aliens? No. Have there been aliens visit? Yes. Most definitely, I think aliens have fucking been here. Without a shadow of a doubt, I think aliens have visited. However, I think that their attitude is a bit different. I don't know where the fuck I'm going. What do I think is in Area 51? Aliens? No. Now hear me out on this. Purely because I think they have visited us many times throughout history, but they're not stupid enough to get caught or crash or leave their shit here. Because to be honest, as a race in the entire galaxy, I think the Alien Collective are rather ashamed. I think the Alien Collective are rather ashamed of us lot. No, as a race we're pretty shitty to each other, so I don't think we're allowed in the Galactic Club, if that makes sense. I think we're very much kept out of the loop. However, what is in Area 51, I think they are working on some tech. I think they have got secret military stuff that the general public don't know fuck all about. Now I think they're working on some really dark, dangerous stuff. You know, I was looking into I mean, they've got scientists now. This is stuff that's open to look into. This is technically old information. So what they're working on right now is well and above this shit, and how far they've got with it. But basically, they have basically been able, for a while, this started in World War II, by the way, with Hitler and his band of fucking mad scientist brethren. They were able to start to harness dark matter, right, and use it as kind of an energy source, possibly. However, that's not the creepy bit. They're pulling it from somewhere which can't be fucking seen, felt or fucking heard. They're literally pulling dark matter out of thin fucking air. And there's the whole theory of multi-dimensional rifts, parallel universes, blah blah blah. They're pulling it from somewhere which isn't here, if that makes sense. So what they're doing is they're stealing energy from somewhere that doesn't belong to them, and where it's coming from, fuck knows. That's just one of the things I think they've been tampering with all this time. And now there's reports that scientists have been working on for some time sister universes. Well, a parallel universe, identical to ours, right next to us, if that makes sense. When you think about it, how dangerous is this? Yes, as humans we're curious, but we're very like, yeah, let's jump in. No, there doesn't seem to be any fucking caution. So we soon stopped going to the fucking moon quick, didn't we? The fuck did we see over there? Yeah, I think what's over there is very, very dangerous. I think they're trying to tap into stuff like other dimensions. I think they're working on super secret tech planes, aircraft, which are way above what we see in here. But I don't think they've got grey aliens down there. They've clearly seen us and thought, what a bunch of wankers. What a bunch of slippery Kens the human race is. Yeah, I just think it's a bunch of tech, way too advanced for us to handle, and a lot of dangerous, very, very dangerous tech. You know, trying to tap into other dimensions. And what are we, as humans, going to tap into another dimension for? Now, people doing it, what do you think their aim is? Oh, it's to steal shit. It's to steal more fossil fuels, to steal more energy, and then they're hoping to close the fucking door. Yes, once it gets to that point, once they open that fucking door, are we going to be able to close that door? Stranger Things much? Right guys, I will love you and leave you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye. Aliens, mate.